Hi all, my name is Noorain and today we will be acquiring asset. We will be posting an invoice for acquiring asset from F-90 T code. That is a direct asset acquisition without integration. So the T code is F-90. So as we are posting the invoice, so this document date is the invoice date which is mentioned on the invoice. So one thing, I'll be keeping the date from the past because I want to show you guys the asset year closing process. So I can only do that once we have the transaction posted in previous year. So for few transactions we'll be taking date from the 2023, and we will be doing the year end activities as well. So that's why I'm taking this past date. Okay, now my posting date is going to be the same on which I'm going to post the invoice. Here is going to be the document type. ONEV is my company code and currency in which I am acquiring. So in my case, I am acquiring in INR currency as my company code is from India. Reference, you can add anything which is mentioned as a invoice number or invoice. So in my case, I'm just using test 123, and document header is also I'm going to use the same. Posting key is 31 here by default, so it means the vendor credit posting key. You can also press F4 and C 31. V means V vendor, C means credit, and what is we are doing? We are posting an invoice. So 31 by default comes when we open this transaction. So it means we have to enter the vendor. You can also search vendor from this bar, and you might not get the same screen. So please make sure you select the required filter from which you want to search your vendor. So in my case, I want to search the supplier by country, region and company code, because I'll be entering company code here and I'll be pressing enter. So the relevant vendors from particular company code comes in the screen. So I'll be selecting this vendor, and my vendor is 3000. So I think relevant details has been filled in this screen, and now I'm going to press the enter. It's just giving me the warning that they have adjusted the period 1 automatically as per my date, and posting date in the previous fiscal year, because I am posting in 23. I've already told you the reason. Press enter. Now the amount, let's say I am entering and I am purchasing from a vendor the asset of rupees 30,000. So you can enter the text, it's asset purchase. Okay, now here comes the part. Now I have to enter the 70 posting key. That means debiting the asset, because whenever we purchase asset, then our asset is get increased. So we have to follow the golden rule of real account. That is, whenever asset comes in, we have to make it debit. So 70 for debiting the asset, 70 is the posting key. Now you can also search again the asset, or if you are aware of the number of asset, you can just manually enter, or in my case I'm just searching. I am searching and I'm selecting this one. Okay, and here this is the transaction. For F-90 we have to always select 100 as the external acquisition, asset acquisition. Please keep that in mind. So all relevant, in my case I have added details. So this is, I am purchasing without tax, so I am not pressing any calculate tax, business place or section. I'm not doing anything. It's just a simple I'm just trying to make this process simple by just creating the vendor and debiting the asset. So press enter. Again, if you want to copy the debit side asset amount, you can just press a star. Amount will get copied from the credit side. Okay, asset is coming, this one which we have already selected in earlier screen. Text, if you press plus, then the text get copied from the credit side. Okay, so now I'm going to do document and I'm going to simulate, because I have entered all the relevant details. So this is the accounting entry get simulated, where 31 is for the domestic vendor, which is credit, and 70 is for asset, which is debit. Okay, this is the operational entry which normally has shown. on when we simulate the asset, the transaction. But when we go to the asset accounting tab here, if I select it, then as you can see, multiple document is coming because I have split the operational and valuation part. So whenever asset account is getting posted, there are two types of entries posted in S4 HANA. One is operational, one is valuation. So I have splitted this part in document type, else KR has come for both the documents. So KR part is now operational part where vendor get credited and the asset get debited. And this GL, which is a technical clearing account. So I have gone to FS00 where I have created this GL. If I search this GL, and you can see this is a technical clearing account. So asset account, if when we saw here in this entry, this GL is a asset technical clearing account. So here we are seeing that domestic vendor is created and the technical clearing account is actually debited, but here asset account is debited and here technical clearing account GL. Again going to asset accounting. Okay, so technical clearing account is credited. Okay, and here the technical clearing account is debited, domestic vendor is created. Now in this valuation part, you can see technical clearing account is created and it is nullified now because earlier document type it was debited, now here is credited. So ultimately the balance is out to be zero. Now what is debited here? This is a APC account which we have assigned in account determination configuration of asset. So this is fixed asset account asset, and here FF, this is a APC account, balance sheet account. So that's how our accounting has posted in S4 HANA. I'll show you once I posted few details more. So let's post this. So account is posted. Our transaction has been posted. Now I am going again in the asset accounting. Let's see how system behaves. So as I said that operational part is posted with KR document and valuation part is posted with SAA document. And you can see that the document has also been splitted into two. This GL has been posted here. This GL has been posted with this document number and this GL has been posted with this document number. So ultimately the document numbers are also different in both asset valuation part and operational part. And you can see in valuation part reference document is this only. So why this entry is got splitted? The only reason is because in S4 HANA it is that the transaction get posted in real time. So with the help of technical clearing account in my company code, I have used two accounting principle. One is INDAS accounting principle and one is US GAAP. So if I go here, which is I am on already in INDAS, so this is accounting entry, and if I go to this non-leading part, this is US GAAP. If I go to document currency, accounting has been posted. Okay, and ledger group you can see it's coming one. My ledger group is one. So that's how, with the help of technical clearing account, real-time transaction gets posted in multiple ledgers. Okay, thank you.